This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
The letter grading system, to which we are all accustomed, has advantages and disadvantages. The letter grades should be replaced with pass or fail ones. I do not support this idea for several reasons. In this essay, I will discuss the pros and cons of the letter grading model and prove that it should remain in the education system. First of all, nothing is perfect, and the arguments against it can be found for everything, but we have to think about whether the strengths of the current letter grading system outweigh its weaknesses. In my personal view, they do. In comparison with the pass or fail grades, one of the significant benefits of the letter grading model is that it represents a more detailed breakdown of the student's results. Thus, it allows us to reflect on the knowledge level more precisely. In contrast, the pass or fail system has only 2 positive and negative grades. However, the students who failed would have relatively different results. Undoubtedly, some of them would be very close to the pass level, and some would be substantially below it. Moreover, this grading system does not encourage the students to strive for better results. Many would consciously fail some interim assessments because they knew they were not as important as the final exams. However, solid knowledge is gained when the students prepare for each test because the interim assessments are primarily aimed at assimilating knowledge and not at the final postulation of the achievements. The same can be said about the pass grade. In reality, the group of students who will be graded pass will have relatively different results. It is not fair because some of the students will put the maximum effort into studying all the material and answering all the test questions, whereas the other students will study just a portion of the required assignment in order to have the minimum knowledge to pass the test. I believe this system does not motivate the students to study better. The critics of letter grading say it is too complicated and should be replaced with one similar to the pass and fail system. I disagree with this statement because I think that although the letter grading is more complicated than the pass and fail model, everyone is used to it, and it is not a problem for both the teachers and the students to understand the indicated knowledge level. That is why the arguments against letter grades are not persuasive and that the current system should remain in our education. In order to sum up all those mentioned above, letter grading is much more effective than the pass and fail model. I believe it better reflects the relative level of the student's knowledge. Besides, the letter grades are more objective and represent the student's achievements more precisely than the pass and fail grades. Overall, I support the current grading system and think it should not be replaced with passing and failing grades. If you want to find more works like this essay on the letter grading system, head over to ivypanda.com. It has a collection of samples with thousands of submissions covering virtually all academic subjects.